Hello students, I am Amit Mittal from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, I will be discussing the objective number 11 of Object Oriented Programming Lab, that is write programs to understand exception handling techniques. I have divided this video into two parts, part A and part B. In this video, I will be discussing about the part A. The contents of this video is the types of errors, exception handling mechanism in C++, multiple throw and multiple catch, multiple throw and single catch or generic catch. Then I will be discussing the implementation of these topics. Types of errors. There are three types of errors: logic errors, syntactic errors and exceptions. Logic errors occur due to poor understanding of the problem and solution procedure. Syntactic errors occur due to poor understanding of the language itself. Runtime error is called as an exception. Examples of exception: divide by zero, accessing array out of bound, running out of memory or disk space. Exception handling mechanism in C++. C++ has a mechanism to handle exceptions. The exception handling mechanism of C++ uses the following keywords: try, throw and catch. Try is a block which contains statements that may generate exceptions. When an exception is detected, it is thrown using a throw statement. Catch block catches the exception thrown by throw statement and handles it appropriately. The catch block must immediately follow the try block. The try block is immediately followed by the catch block irrespective of the location of throw point. The next concept involved is multiple throw and multiple catch. There can be situations when throw statement throws multiple types of exceptions like int exception, double exception, char exception. In that case, there will be multiple catch blocks to handle multiple types of exceptions. Another concept is multiple throw and single catch or generic catch. It is possible to catch multiple types of exceptions thrown using multiple throw statements in a single catch block using catch triple dot. Such type of catch statement is called as a generic catch. Now I will be discussing the implementation of these topics. I have made the program using any text editor like Notepad. You can implement the program using any compiler like GCC compiler or Dev C++ compiler. The first program is write a program to handle division by zero exception. Void main, and two integers are declared, C in AB. Then there is a try block, if statement is there, if else. Then there is a catch block, and then the main function closes. Now let us discuss the working of this program. Here two integers are being inputted. Suppose the value of A that the user inputs is say 10 and the value of B is say 0. So we want that if there is a division A divided by B, so if B is equal to 0, then we would like to handle this exception, that is division by 0. So here if B is equal to 0, then throw B. This exception B, that is 0, is thrown and this will be handled by this catch block. So the value of B will be passed into I. So the output will be exception caught division by 0. Next program, write program for exception handling using multiple throw and multiple catch. The header file hash include iostream using namespace std, then the signature of the function fun, main function fun is called 4 times with these 4 values. Then the function is defined, and in the definition of the function there is a try block, and in the try block there are statements for x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Then there are 3 catch blocks. Then the main function closes. Let us discuss the working of this program. The function fun is called with the value 2. So this will match, that is x is equal to 2, this will be true through x. single quotation x. So the character x is thrown and this will be caught by this catch block, catch char x. So cout x, that is character x will be displayed as an output. Then the last statement, that is end of try catch system, will be displayed as the output. Then the function is called with the value 3. So this will be true through 3.85, that is a float type of exception is thrown. Then this catch will be executed, 3.85 will be the output. Then end of try catch system. Then again the function main compiler will be passed to the main function fun1. So try block, if x is equal to 1, this is true. Integer type of exception is thrown, this will be matched and caught by this catch block because it contains int. So the integer exception will be displayed as the output. Then the end of try catch system will be the output. Then fun4, so there is no value 4 for x, so there is no if statement. So compiler will simply read this end of try block, this will be the output. Then end of try catch system. This is how the program will work. Now the next topic, write program for exception handling using multiple throw and single catch or generic catch. The only difference between the above program and this program is that in the above program we are writing 3 different catch statements for handling and catching 3 types of exceptions. Here we will handle all the 3 types of exceptions using only a single catch statement. Here see that the function is called with these values 2, 3, 1 and 4. So see that for integer exception here is thrown, here a character exception is thrown, here a float exception is thrown. So all the exceptions will be caught and handled by this generic catch statement. So this will be executed for all the 3 values and we will get this output. Thank you.